Hello and welcome to this lovely property. Call or text us right now at 53020567760 for more info. Live your best life in this modern, single-story home in excellent location just minutes from Highway 49. Built in 1999 by the current owner, this home has solar to reduce utility cost. High-speed broadband is available. This property is on the level with easy maintenance front and backyards, lots of parking and very easy street access and a level driveway. Enjoy the scenic back deck with retractable awning. Check out the large master suite, generous bedrooms, and an office with a half bath and laundry room. Imagine life in the expansive great room with high ceilings and lots of windows to take in the views. Kitchen has lots of light and a central island for entertaining. House has central heat and air and a lovely gas parlor stove perfect for those cool winter evenings. Close to the golf course, recreation facilities and the clubhouse. Great place to live and or work from home and close to schools. This is a must-see property in Alta Sierra.